Hey, it's David Baer, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at one of the things that several people have requested from me when it comes to using AI to create content. This content that we're going to look at is specifically advertising content. Now, I'm going to show you a fairly basic way to generate ad content, but you can build upon this and obviously add a lot more detail and nuance into the ads as well. But here's a good starting point. So let's jump into ChatGPT, and I have a template for a prompt here already. Adopt the persona of a seasoned copywriter with vast experience in creating high-converting ad copy. Write a short, compelling ad copy for our, and then we want to insert the product or service, highlighting the key feature or benefit to entice a specific target audience in this particular industry or niche, and then include a call to action telling the reader to, and then whatever the CTA is. So let's go ahead and put in, let's see, what are we going to do today? Let's do a estate planning law practice. Now we probably want to, let's correct that. Called, and I'm just going to use my name, David Baer Esquire. Okay, highlighting the ease and low cost of getting your will drafted by a professional. Now, I'm not a lawyer. I'm just pretending to be one for this video. Okay, the target market is entice our... now, let's say that we're going after a specific target audience. In this case, let's... I don't know why I'm picking this, but let's say college professors in the Portland, Oregon area. Okay. And then in this case, we don't really have to say industry or niche, but we can either leave that out, or I can say in I don't know, the pre-retirement phase of their life. Okay, it's not really a niche or an industry, but it gives a little bit more dimension to what we might end up with in the ad. Include a call to action telling the reader to book a free initial consultation at let's davidbaeresque.com. Okay, and again, I'm pretending that I'm an attorney in this instance. Let's go ahead and click this and see what we get. So, protect tomorrow today. You spent years molding young minds and shaping the future of Portland's top institution. But have you shaped your future yet? At David Baer Esquire, we make drafting a breeze. Now, I think that's probably the wrong word there. Simple, affordable, and tailored to your needs. Your legacy deserves the guidance of an expert, not a DIY approach. Okay, so that's like contrasting it to the alternative. Attention, college professors, take the smart step toward your future. Book a free initial consultation today, and ensure your peace of mind for years to come. And then here's a link. Now, here's the drawback of this particular prompt and ad as it exists. I provided absolutely no context around where this ad is going to appear, and so it's making some assumptions around the formatting and other things like that. So I'm going to say revise this ad for Facebook, and let's spell Facebook correctly. Using best practices for that platform. Actually, I'm going to make this instead. I was going to do this for 3 different platforms. So let's just say something like revise this ad into 3 variations. Make one for Facebook, one for LinkedIn and one for Google PPC. Okay, so this is going to be varying lengths. Now, I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm going to say utilize best practices and appropriate length and formatting for each platform. Okay, and appropriate. All right, let's go ahead and do that and see what we get as a result. So first it's saying the Facebook ad, then it's saying designed for more casual, image-heavy engagement, and you get kind of one with a bunch of emojis and stuff. Portland professors of Portland, you've nurtured future leaders, but what about your own future? And that's kind of, you know, a short and sweet one. LinkedIn, designed for a professional audience with more formal tone. And then finally, a Google PPC ad. And then how about making one for a 1/8 page display ad in the newspaper. All right, and we're going to get one more, and we'll see what that might look like. Interesting. So it's giving us sort of different formatting depending on what the platform is. Now, I don't necessarily agree with these, but it's pulling from what it believes, based on the vast amount of resources it has, what it believes are the best practices for these different platforms. And it's worth testing them out and seeing if they actually will work for the corresponding platforms. But there you go. So it was a sort of a fairly straightforward initial prompt where I was talking about what the service in this case is, highlighting a specific benefit, and then telling them who we're writing this for so that it personalizes it in a certain way, and then what they should do next by including a call to action. Once again, my name is David Baer. I am with AI COTERIE, and if you're looking for assistance in implementing artificial intelligence deeper into your business, please don't hesitate to reach out.